About this item: video game directly play with iOS 13.4 Plus version. Megadream mobile game controller for iPhone/iPad are directly approved and certified by iOS. Perfect, works with iOS 13.4 Plus version, easily play most controller games that download from App Store. Without using any simulator or jailbreak your phone, will not damage your phone system. Video game directly play with Android 10.0 Plus version. This Android controller directly work with Android device by Bluetooth connection, without shooting plus V3 app or other simulator needed, with 2 boot mode, Y plus home or LB and home, for different game. If you find the supported game cannot work on this controller, please switch boot mode. Video game support various games. This mobile game controller for iOS/Android support most of the controller games in the App Store: Call of Duty/COD, Apex Legends Mobile, Diablo Immortal, Modern Combat 5, Asphalt 8, 9, etc. For more games not listed above, you can consult us. Note: PUBG is not supported. Video game directly play with Windows 7 to 11 version. The PC game controller works with Win 7 to 11 version PC device by wireless and wired connection. Support most games download from Steam, such as Call of Duty, World at War, Call of Duty, Black Ops, Elden Ring, Battlefield, Resident Evil Village, Ark, Survival Evolved, The Forest, Cities, Skylines, Cyberpunk 2077, The Hunter, Call of the Wild, Halo Infinite and etc. Video game compatible models for iPad controller compatible with iPhone 14/14 Plus/14 Pro/14 Pro Max, iPhone 13/13 Pro/13 Pro Max/13 Mini, iPhone 12 Pro/12 Pro Max/12 Mini, iPhone 11 Pro/Max, iPhone XS, XRX, iPhone